Behavior management includes most things that we say or do to a child, including when and how we give commands and praise, use rewards, and apply negative consequences. Guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Joel Kodute, the therapist for children with special needs. So on this video, I'm going to be talking about behavior management of children with attention deficit hyperactivity disorder. If this is your first time coming across my channel, you are welcome. I should probably dance for you. Yeah. Please turn on your notification bell after subscription. Yes, please subscribe to my channel. Please just share my videos to your friends, your loved ones, those people you know that will benefit from what I'm uploading on my YouTube channel. Yes, let the information also get to them so that they can also share to those people they know will benefit from what is happening on my channel. Please share, like, comment, and please subscribe. I will say that again. Subscribe. Both you and the teachers need to consistently apply good behavior management strategies. If you tell your child no iPad until you put your bag away, that is behavior management. Behavior management methods are the most thoroughly researched and popular methods used by mental health professionals to change children's behavior. However, certain methods are more effective with different behavior patterns or disorder. For instance, the quick timing, clarity, and consistency of reward are essentials for the success of behavior program for a child with ADHD. Combining these principles with negotiation and choices becomes more critical as the child with ADHD grows into adolescence. There are many methods of behavior management you can apply or learn if you have a child with ADHD, or you know someone that have a child with ADHD, or you're working directly with a child with ADHD. So number one on this video is break tasks down into smaller units. Or you have to help your child to break down complex tasks into simple steps. Give commands 1 or 2 at a time. Longer commands should be repeated, rehearsed, or written down. For example, let's assume you want to teach a child to identify numbers 1 to 10. 1 to 10 is your target. What you should do is to make the task easier. You introduce the numbers 1 at a time. You can decide to teach 1 to 3. Once you see that there is some level of mastery, you add 4, you add 5. And once you see there's some level of mastery from 1 to 5, then you upgrade gradually until you get to number 10. If you bring all the 10 numbers and you're teaching a child with ADHD, there's some level of confusion already for a child who is having attention issues. So what you should do, you break it down and introduce the numbers 1 at a time, and then upgrade until you get to number 10. And from 10, you start to add. That is how you break down tasks for a child with ADHD and for any child with learning difficulties. Use attentional cues. It may be a challenge, but you should try as much as possible to avoid getting frustrated with the need to direct your child's attention. For example, you can decide to use verbal cues like look at this, or gestural cues, point, touch, give, or visual cues. You can decide to show a picture, a flashcard showing what you are teaching to redirect the child's attention. Use reward systems. Shaping behavior using chips or charts is a powerful tool because this makes positive reinforcement more explicit, consistent, and quickly available after positive behaviors occur. In addition, many children with ADHD and other disruptive behavior problems need social skill training groups to work on ways to stop acting so impulsively around their friends, using stop and think and problem-solving routines. These children also need more basic instructions on how exactly to interact with their friends. In my next video, I will be talking about tips on how to manage children with ADHD in the classroom environment. Please like, comment, share, and don't forget to subscribe.